Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in today's video, we would learn how can we do the orientation in Microsoft Excel. So I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, to do this, first you have to select the cell or the multiple of cell which we always used to do. Like here I'm selecting this one A12, and after selecting just click on home, and in this alignment group you will see this orientation button. When you will click on that, here you have the bunch of options where you can align the text in counterclockwise. I'll just click on that, and as you can see this text is behaving like it is aligned in counterclockwise. Similarly, we can apply this to another cell, and we can apply to just angle clockwise. So it's actually acting like an angle clockwise. So this complete cell moves to the angle clockwise. Get it? Similarly, we can apply it to this cell, this time vertical text, and this text is acting to vertical direction. Similarly, we can apply this again, rotate text up. Rotate text up means the text, the first letter goes to down and the last letter goes to up. Similarly, we can just use rotate text down. The difference between rotate text down and rotate text up is the first letter comes to the down here and the first letter comes to the up here in this rotate text down. So you can use this formats to the cell where you want. So that's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.